Struggling to get your Excel data into Smartsheet without errors? Import any file in under 60 seconds with this simple method. I'll walk you through the exact 8 steps to import any file. Let's start from the homepage. Start on the Smartsheet homepage. Click the Create button. Choose where you want this new item to live, like a workspace or folder. Hover over Import in the drop-down menu. Select the type of file you're importing, for example, an Excel file. Click Select and browse your computer to pick the file you want to import. Click Continue to move forward. Hit Import to bring your data into Smartsheet. That's it. You're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.